So I wanted to change the SILL seal on my door and saw the videos, oh, just pull it out and pop a new one in. But I've got this old kind. I'll show you here. It's got this weird clip thing down in there. Here it is removed. Like I said, this weird clip thing, so here's what it looks like. The rubber bulb seal, whatever you want to call it, fits on there. Looks like that, if I can get it to focus. And then these tabs actually go in these slots, and you bend it from the bottom, so you have to pull this threshold out. And that was a big pain because I searched and searched and searched YouTube, couldn't find anything, looked and looked, and finally just started taking it apart. Found these seals. No one local had it. Imagine that. Amazon had it. MD threshold 36. Got to cut it down, of course, to 30. Pretty cool. Made in USA with globally sourced materials. 13219. They call it the old style. And I was going to replace this with the new stuff. Then I thought, you know what? This house is old. This is already trimmed for my door. Because of course it's all crazy and the trim and all that. So I'm just going to put the rubber seal on this. Put it in. Bend those over. Put my screws back in. And good to go. So I hope this helps. Like I said, I searched for a while trying to figure out that this thing even existed. None of the local shops, like I said, had it. So, like always, Amazon and MD. MD makes good stuff, so enjoy.